Combined team of State Commando, Assam Rifles and NIA have arrested 3 cadres, including 2 officers of proscribed Pambei-led Unlf today. According to sources, the arrested cadres were arrested this morning from different of Kwakaithel under Singjomai police station. Among the 3 arrested, 1 arrestee has been identified as Chief of Army Staff KH Toiba alias Sidaba Mapu, aged 55 years, from Mayang Imphal Kongchak, Chief Intelligence Officer Ingba from Yaskul Police Land near MDU. However, the identity of the 3rd cadre is yet to be ascertained till the time of filing this report. According to police, Sidaba Mapu was arrested this morning from Ningthem Kol at Sangaipuro. The arrestee was reportedly taken to Allahabad via an Indian Air Force special charter flight around 12:30 noon. It may be mentioned that the outfit had recently signed a peace agreement with Government of India. Meanwhile, soon after the news of the arrest, shops in around Kuyathong, Thangal Bazaar and Singjomai were closed to protest against the arrest of the cadres. Later, after an agreement with the police, the protest ended. People launched a protest at New Chekon, Konung Mamang, Puiromba Laikai in Imphal East District. In Yaripog also, shop remained closed and protesters came out to block the route.
UNLF ahum phagi bado adusu NIA na sarkar na karamba ground of hali bano already cookie gi su moidi chatna da chap manara bani mogi ground rule thugai re khoi lon khange akhoi gi ground rule su thugai ba laitri mogi kem tabu phajana hodik laitri bani permanent adu kari maram gi phali bano ba sarkar na kari hidden agenda lairige maninda koi maitai dana sumaina action lauri bano cookie dana lawangam di basikari gi no lawni di bo side law adu de akhoi ju tumina laige lawi da boy di ka ama bolo bi gano without any condition thadora ka dabani phagi ba humak na taradi maitai oi ba praja khoi khudimak na maira pai bi ka nate and the organization me ang pullaga khoi khumjan chanjala kani hoji ba khoi lambi thing bagi chances aduk mati wang na leidi yara di sarkar na tauri ba sa kaino khambiyo pesto ki meaning kaino se khango sarkar central ga salai nari banda to pesto ke not only state khoi state ka sunate duti kari ge phali banwasi.
People protested in Kokching too against the arrest of the 3 cadres of Pambei-led Unlf. Shops at Kokching Kaithel remained closed. The protesters demanded unconditional release of the arrested cadres within 24 hours. Protesters at New Chekon in Imphal East District took out to the street and expressed discontentment over the arrest of 3 cadres, including 2 officials of Pambei-led Unlf cadres. However, Porompat police team rushed to the spot to control the protesters and avoid any unwanted circumstances.